Hi guys, this is Pawan Kumar. Today I want to say about engineering mathematics 2 for diploma second years. This is related to all branches mechanical, civil, probably. Today I want to say about 11th essay B1. This question is repeated so many times. 11th B1, evaluate integral 1 by 5 plus 4x 5 plus 4 cos x dx. This is repeating so many times. So today I want to explain this sum. First of all, write given what is given. Given integral 1 by 5 plus 4 cos x dx. Let t is equals to tan x by 2. ఇలా ఉన్న ప్రతి సమ్మకు కూడా t is equals to tan x by 2 అని తీసుకోవాలి. Now differentiate on both sides. Differentiate on both sides. Both sides means LHS and RHS. Differentiate means d by here x mean here it is in the x, so we have to differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate on both sides with respect to x. W or t x with respect to x. Now d by dx of t is equals to d by dx of tan x by 2. Here between these two there is an into d into dt. There is nothing in denominator, so we have to put 1 dx into 1 dx. dt by dx is equals to, we know that the formula derivative of tan x. We have the formula for derivative of tan x, not for tan x by 2. So I have to write derivative for tan x. Derivative of tan x is equals to secant square x. Secant square x. Here there is by 2. So we have put here also by 2. Here tan x over x by 2 is remaining. So we have to derivate x by 2 also. D by dx of x by 2. So next up comes secant square x. Secant square x by 2 d by dx of x into 1 by 2. We can written x by 2 as x into 1 by 2. Secant square x by 2. Here 1 by 2 is constant, so this constant comes before the derivative of x on d by dx. Here x is there, x. Secant square x by 2. Between these two there is an into d by dx of x. This means we know that formula derivative of x 1. So 1 by 2 into 1. 1 by 2 into 1, 1 by 2. Secant square x by 2 into 1 by 2. This is all one term, numerator. Then denominator is 1. Secant square x by 2 into 1. Secant square x by 2. 2 into 1, 2. This is dt by dx. From this we have to want dx. Therefore dx is equals to, here dx is dividing. When comes to this side, it multiplies the secant square x by 2 by 2. And this comes on this side. This becomes 2 here, denominator. It goes to numerator and numerator comes to denominator. 2 into dt by secant square x by 2. Understand this? Here d by dx is division. When comes to this side, it multiplies the secant square x by 2 by 2. Here multiplying secant square x by 2 by 2. When comes to LHS, it divides the dt. It is reciprocals. 2 goes to the numerator and secant square x by 2 comes to the denominator. By this way, this one came here. So we know that dx is equals to 2 dt by secant square x by 2. Dx is equals to 2 dt by secant square x by 2. We know that the formula secant square x by 2 secant square x by 2 is equals to 1 plus tan square x by 2. This is the formula. So we can replace secant square x by 2 as 1 plus tan square x by 2. 2 dt by secant square x by 2 as 1 plus tan square x by 2. 2 dt by, we have already put it here, t is equals to tan x by 2. So here we have to put tan square x by 2 as t square. 1 plus t square. Or understand this? Here tan x is equals to 2. At the starting of the sum, we have let t is equals to tan x by 2. This tan x by 2 is substituted in this here. Tan square x by 2, so t square. Tan x by 2 means t. Here is the square, so we have put this for square. This is dx. We get dx is equals to 2 dt by 1 plus t. We know that the formula cos x in terms of tan 1 minus tan square x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2. This is the formula. We have to know the formulas in this. Secant square x by 2 is equals to 1 plus tan x square by 2. Cos x is in terms of tan 1 minus tan square x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2. These two formulas are very important for this sum. As well as here secant square x by 2. That means tan square x by derivative of tan square x by 2 secant square x by 2 into d by dx of x by 2. These three formulas are very important for this sum. At the starting of the sum, we have put t is equals to tan x. So here we have to put t. 1 minus tan x by 2 means t. Here square is there. So we have to put t square. 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. Now goes to this sum. Sum has given 1 by 5 plus 4 cos x dx. Here dx means we have already get in the sum dx is equals to 2 dt by 1 plus t square. So we have to put 2 dt by 1 plus t square in the dx place. 1 by 5 plus 4. Here cos x means we have got 1 minus 2 square by 1 plus 2 square. We have to substitute in cos x place. 1 plus t square by 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. Here dx means we already got 2 dt by 1 plus t square. Now do the LCM for this 2. 5 plus 4 into 1 minus t square. 4 into 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square into 2 dt by 1 plus t square. Here nothing is there at denominator, so I have to put 1 integral cross multiplication 1 plus t square into 5 into 1 plus t square plus 4 into 1 minus t square divided by 1 plus t square. LCM 1 into 1 plus t square, 1 plus t square cross multiplication 1 plus t square into 5 into 1 plus t square, 1 into 4 into 1 minus t square, 4 into 1 minus t square. Here 2 dt by 1 plus t square. Here 1 by is there, no? So 1 by 5 plus 4. 1 by 5 plus 4. Here 1 plus t square are cancelled. We have 1 by 5 into 1 5 plus 5 into t square 5 t square plus 4 into 1 4 plus into minus 4 into t square 4 t square. We have here 2 dt. Now these two are variables, so we have to subtract our addition. Plus into minus, so we have to subtract 5t square minus 4t square t square. These two are constants. Here nothing is there means there is a positive sign, plus into plus. So both we have to add t square plus 9. T square plus 9 is equals to dt integral 1 by t square plus, we have write 9 as 3 square 2 dt. We know that the formula integral 1 by x square plus a square dx is equals to 1 by a into tan inverse x by a plus c. This is the important formula. This is also another fourth important formula for this chapter, for this sum problem. 1 by x square plus a square dx is equals to 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c. This is in the form of 1 by x square plus a square dx. These are all dx. It will have to take here. That means integral t 1 by t square plus 3 square dt. ఈ ఫార్ములా ఉండడం కోసం 2 అనేది ఇటు సైడ్ తీసుకొచ్చాం. Now here a means constant, that means 3 square. A square means 3 square. So a means 3. So 1 by a means 1 by 3. Next tan inverse means tan inverse. X means here x. X means t. A means 3 plus c. We know that at the starting of the problem we have put that t is equals to tan x by 2. T is equals to tan x by 2. So have to put in the place of t tan x by 2. 1 by tan x by 2 t square plus 3 square dt is equals to 1 by 3 tan inverse, t means tan x by 2, tan x by 2 tan x by 2 by 3 by 3 plus c. This is the answer for that question. We have to remember only four formulas. This is the very important formula at the ending of the sum. So have to remember this is the first formula, and another formula is here, cos x in terms of tan. Cos formula in terms of tan, 1 minus tan square x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2. This is also the important formula for this problem. 1 and 2. These two formulas are very important. This formula and this formula, as well as this formula is also secant square x by 2 is equals to 1 plus tan square x by 2. These three problems are very important for doing this type of sums. This type of sums are giving rapidly, so how to prepare for this deeply. I think you don't have any doubts from this question. If you have any doubts, comment below this video. I will clarify it. Thank you, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.